everyone, welcome today. You're joining me at the Great Ormond Street official Christmas Party 2008, and I'm going to have a good time, you're going to have a good time, and we're going to do lots of fun. I know they've got Xbox zones, they've got F1 fast tracks, they've got a lot of things going on for me and yourselves to enjoy, so let's go.
Who knows the show Britain's Got Talent? Do we all know it? And so we have, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have George Samspons here with you today. Are you ready for some dancing? All right, the man in the back with the music, can we go, please?
This kid who plays Draco Malfoy in the Harry Potter film. He gets a lot of money for it.
George just wanted to come and say hi.
George! Hey man, how you doing? I've heard good things earlier in the performance. Yeah? Is it your first time here?
Yes.
Same as, same as.
Yes.
Pretty good stuff, no?
It is. Big as well.
Yeah, big party, big party. Loads of kids. And costumes as well.
Yeah, I know.
I've seen the best costumes of my life. Ghostbusters.
Testing something I haven't got, and that's reflexes. You wait for a red light, you push the button, and it goes. And you got to see how fast you can go, so
Yeah.
we're going to see who wins.
They go off. They do.
I'm on form.
Ready to raise the roof?
Yeah, I'm making a cake.
You guys showing them how it's done? 2 steps forward. A big wave. Around in a circle.
Hey! Christmas!
You gotta give him a big hug.
Bentley Continental, a Bugatti, a Ferrari, and a Lamborghini Diablo. Let's hope. Alright.
Thank you. Have a good Christmas.
I hope you've had a good time. I've had a brilliant time. Loved performing. I loved everything I went on. Enjoyed meeting the kids, obviously. I made a cake, I did everything, so thanks for coming along. It's been a great time.